Unfolding the phrase, life story. Hello, dear learners. Today, we are going to dive into an interesting English phrase, life story. By the end of this video, you'll understand what it means and how to use it in various contexts. The phrase, life story, is made up of two words, life and story. At its most basic level, a life story is a detailed account or narration of a person's life from birth up to the current moment. It's essentially a tale of someone's experiences, challenges, triumphs, and key events. Often, when people use the term life story, they might be using it in a figurative sense. For instance, 1. You don't have to tell me your whole life story. This could mean that someone is sharing more details than necessary. 2. I feel like I've learned her life story just from that one conversation. This suggests that someone shared a lot about their personal history. These examples show that while life story can refer to a complete account of someone's life, it's also commonly used in everyday conversations in a more exaggerated manner. Throughout history, humans have been fascinated by life stories. Whether they are in the form of autobiographies, biographies, or oral narratives, these tales provide insights into the human experience. Knowing someone's life story can foster understanding, empathy, and connection. It's more than just events. It's about feelings, challenges, and growth. So there you have it. The phrase, life story, doesn't just refer to a detailed account of someone's life. It's a rich and multi-dimensional term that can be used in various contexts. We hope you found this explanation helpful and that you'll feel more confident using life story in your own conversations. Until next time, happy learning!